dealing with the Adobe Caps Module DLL error in a non-Windows app. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's look at the engineering steps I've prepared to fix it. Before we begin the manual steps for Adobe Caps Module, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This DLL file is the Adobe Capabilities library. It is used by various Adobe software titles to identify system hardware features and manage the installation and licensing of specific product modules on PC. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This error typically means a core application file is missing from Adobe Creative Cloud. Reinstall the official Adobe Creative Cloud package to restore the Adobe Caps Module DLL. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Adobe Caps module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Installing an unverified version of the Adobe Caps Module DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with the Adobe Caps module. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved you the Adobe Caps module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.